In this video, we are going to learn how to draw a bird with some leaves and branches. This is the drawing. Okay, so let's start with the sketching. I have already made a light sketch, and this is how we have to make the bird. After completing the sketch, we have to start coloring. In the leaves, I am using orange, light yellow and light green. First, in this manner we have to do the orange. Then mix it with yellow in this manner. And a little bit of light green. Like this. Same in all the leaves. After the leaves, we have to color the bird. So for coloring the bird, I am using Prussian blue, light blue means the sky blue, and yellow. So in this manner you have to do. With the Prussian blue, first of all we have to dark some areas in this manner. Mix it with the light blue in proper manner. Like this, you have to mix it, and after that apply medium yellow or light yellow. In this manner you have to apply the light yellow. See, mix it properly, and in this portion first of all color with the medium yellow like this. Make some lines with the sky blue. Rub it with your finger a little bit. In the tail portion, start with the Prussian blue, mix with the sky blue. In this manner you have to mix it. For detailing, you can use a little bit of black also. In this manner, make some lines with the black. Now start coloring the branches. First of all, give black color like this. On the top portion, give some black all over the branch. Just follow the steps. These are very easy steps. After applying the black, mix it with light brown. In this manner, you have to mix it with the black. After completing the branches, draw the main lines of the leaves with the black color only. In this manner, you have to draw the lines. Make some detailing also. Follow these steps. Make some details to the corner of the leaves. It will look very prominent. After completing the leaves, let's make the background. I am using here the sky blue color. In some places I will do like this. In some gaps also, make some light blue. In this manner it will look good. After coloring, now rub the color with your fingertip. In this manner you have to rub it. Rub it very carefully and slowly, okay? In this manner you have to rub it all around. This will give you a very nice texture. We are done and your bird with some branches and leaves is ready. Thank you for watching.